Our solar system is amazing. Let's explore it. Hello, young astronomers. I'm here to introduce you to our solar system. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Our solar system is just one tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is a collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. The center of our solar system is the Sun, a big ball of hot gas that creates light and heat. It's a yellow dwarf star and is around 400 times bigger than Earth. The Sun is very, very heavy. In fact, 99.86% of the mass in our solar system is the Sun around the Sun. There are 8 planets, including Earth, where we live, and 7 other planets that scientists have discovered over the years. Let's meet them. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest in our solar system. It has a rocky surface covered in craters, making it look similar to Earth's moon. Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere, it cannot trap heat. This causes extreme temperatures, from very hot during the day to freezing cold at night. Mercury has no moons and orbits the Sun faster than any other planet, taking only 88 Earth days to complete 1 year. Despite being so close to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is similar in size to Earth, often called Earth's sister planet. However, its environment is extremely harsh. Venus has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, which trap heat through the greenhouse effect. This makes it the hottest planet in the solar system. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, the surface is rocky, with mountains, volcanoes, and vast plains. Because of its thick clouds, Venus is very bright in the sky and is sometimes called the morning star or evening star. Its extreme heat, pressure, and toxic atmosphere make it impossible for humans to live there. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only one known to support life. It is about 4.5 billion years old and has a surface made up of land, water, and air. Around 71% of the planet is covered by oceans, while the rest is continents and islands. The atmosphere, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, protects living things from harmful radiation and keeps temperatures stable. Earth's tilt and orbit cause seasons. While its rotation gives us day and night, it is home to millions of species of plants, animals, and humans. However, human activity is also causing problems, such as climate change and pollution, which threaten the environment. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, often called the red planet because of its iron-rich, rust-colored surface. It is about half the size of Earth, with a thin atmosphere mostly made of carbon dioxide, which makes it cold and unable to support liquid water on the surface for long. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a massive canyon system, Valles Marineris. Evidence suggests it once had rivers, lakes, and possibly conditions suitable for life. Today, it is a major focus of exploration, with rovers and orbiters studying its geology, climate, and potential for future human missions. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface. Its atmosphere has bands of clouds and powerful storms, including the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has lasted for centuries. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and at least 95 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Because of its massive size, Jupiter's gravity helps protect the inner planets by pulling in comets and asteroids. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. Like Jupiter, it is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn is best known for its beautiful ring system, which is made of ice, rock, and dust. It has more than 140 moons, including Titan, which is larger than Mercury and has a thick atmosphere with lakes of liquid methane. Saturn has very strong winds and storms in its atmosphere. Because it is made mostly of gas, Saturn is very light for its size. It is the only planet that could float in water if a giant ocean were big enough. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest in the solar system. It is an ice giant, made mostly of water, methane, and ammonia, with a small rocky core. The methane in its atmosphere gives Uranus a blue-green color, unlike other planets. Uranus rotates on its side, tilted by about 98 degrees, which makes its seasons last over 20 years each. It has faint rings and at least 27 moons. Temperatures on Uranus are extremely cold, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. Like Uranus, it is an ice giant made mostly of hydrogen, helium, water, and methane, which gives it a deep blue color. It has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune has faint rings and 14 known moons, the largest being Triton, which orbits in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation. A year on Neptune takes 165 Earth years. It has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune has faint rings and 14 known moons, the largest being Triton, which orbits in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation. A year on Neptune takes 165 Earth years, and that's our solar system. Maybe one day you'll explore it all. Just remember to have fun and keep learning. See you next time. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.